Hi everyone. So today we're working on our letter home. If your letter home does not look like this version, then you can watch the other video. So let us start with our letter home. Dear. Oh, sorry about the banging noise. It's from downstairs. If you guys try to ignore that. So we have Dear Mom, and I'm writing Mom because that's who most of you guys like to write to. Dear Mom, this week, before we get started on the actual letter, let's do a quick review of the words at the bottom. So you guys are going to cut these out so we can copy and paste them onto our paper. We have gardens, home, growing food at home, garden, vegetable and fruit salad, grow, and spring. So those are the words that we're going to put into our letter. So this week, the title of the newspaper was, what was the title of our newspaper? You can refer to your article, your webbing page, or your definitions page. All those pages will be helpful in filling out this letter. So this week, the title of the newspaper was it Gardens, Home, Growing Food at Home, Garden, Vegetable and Fruit Salad, Grow, or Spring? So the title of the newspaper was Growing Food at Home. I learned about places called, so what places did we learn about? Were they gardens, home, garden, vegetable and fruit salad, grow, or spring? So I would look in your webbing page to see what word under our where. Learned about places called gardens. I had fun making a new recipe called, and so we didn't make this, so I'm just going to tell you, but if we had cooking class, we would have made something like the vegetable and fruit salad. I learned 4 new words. So let's look at our definitions page. What were our four new words? And there are 4 words here, so we'll go over them. One of our words was home. Home is where we live. It could be a home, it could be an apartment, it could be any kind of building, maybe even like a RV or trailer, or lots of places can be people's homes. Next word is garden. Garden is a place where we plant flowers and vegetables. We can plant seeds. Another word is grow. Grow is when things get bigger in size. So we have, in this picture, we see seeds and then we see them growing into a plant. Our last word is spring. And spring is the season that we are in right now. It is after winter and before summer. My favorite part of the paper was the story, recipe, or joke. And we're going to pick story because we weren't able to do the recipe or listen to the joke. Story. And we're going to write from your name. All right, so let's read the letter together. We wrote, Dear Mom, this week the title of the newspaper was Growing Food at Home. I learned about places called gardens. I had fun making a new recipe called vegetable and fruit salad. I learned 4 new words: home, garden, grow, spring. My favorite part of the paper was the story. From your name.